Sixth question, x plus y plus z equals to 9, 2x plus 5y plus 7z equals to 52, 2x plus y minus z equals to 0. Let's write the matrix delta. In the matrix delta, first row is coefficient of the first equation. So 1, 1, 1. Next second row, coefficient of the second equation, 2, 5, 7. Third row, coefficients of the third equation, 2, 1, minus 1. Let's find out the delta value, that is the determinant. So expand the first row element, 1 into bracket of 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 7 into 1 is 7. Next to minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 7 2s are 14. Next to plus 1 into 2 into 1 is 2, 5 into 2 is 10. So minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12, and minus 2 minus 14 minus 16 into minus 1 is plus 16, 2 minus 10 so is minus 8. Now minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 plus 16, it is equals to minus 4, so it is not equals 0. Then delta is consistent. So next to find out the delta 1. So delta 1 equals to, replace the first column with constant numbers given in the question. The constant numbers are 9, 52, 0, and remaining two columns will come as it is, 1, 5, 1, 1, 7, minus 1. Let's find its determinant answer. So it is equals to 9 into bracket of 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 7 minus 1 into here 52 into minus 1 is minus 52, minus 7 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 52 into 1 is 52, minus 5 into 0 is 0. So then it is equals to minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12, minus 12 into 9 minus 108. Next here minus 52 minus 0 minus 52, minus 52 into minus 1 is plus 52, 52 into 1 is 52. So it is equals to 52 plus 52 is here 104, so it is equals to minus 4. Next to delta 2. Delta 2 means replace the second column with the constant numbers. So here delta 2, so replace the second column with the constant numbers, 9, 52, and here is a 1, so here is a 0, and let's find its determinant. So it is equals to delta 2, 1 into 52 into minus 1 minus 52 minus 0, minus 9 into minus 2 minus 14 plus 1 into 0 minus 104. So it is minus 52, and minus 2 minus 14 is minus 16, minus 16 into minus 9. So it is equals to plus 144, and 0 minus 104 is minus 104. So minus 52 minus 104 is minus 156 plus 144. Then here 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, so minus 12 is a delta 2. So next to delta 3. So delta 3 means replace the third column with constant numbers in the delta matrix. So here is a delta 3. Let's find its determinant. 1 into 0 minus 52 minus 1 into 0 minus 104 plus 9 into 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So minus 52, here minus 1 into minus 104 is plus 104, and 2 minus 10 is minus 8, minus 8 into 9 is minus 72, 2 to 4 and 5 plus 2 12 minus plus 104, then it is equals to minus 20 is a delta 3. Let's find out our required answer, that is x. So its formula is delta 1 by delta. So delta 1 is minus 4, delta is minus 4. So then it is equals to 1. Next to y equals to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 is minus 12 and delta is minus 4. It is equals to 3. Next to z equals to delta 3 divided by delta. So minus 20 divided by minus 4. 4 5s are. Seventh question, x plus y plus z equals to 3, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 4 and x plus 4y plus 9z equals to 6. Let's create the delta matrix. So first coefficients of first equation 1 1 1. So then find out the determinant. So 1 into 18 minus 12 minus 1 into 9 minus 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 2. 18 minus 12 6 and 9 minus 3 6. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 6 minus 6 cancel 2. It is not equals to 0. Then the given system of equations are inconsistent equations. Then delta 1 equals to, replace the first column elements with constant numbers 3, 4 and 6. Write remaining two columns as it is. Find out the determinant. Expand the first row. 3 into 9 2s are 18, 4 3s are 12, 18 minus 12. Next to minus 1 into 4 into 9, 6 into 3, 36 minus 18. Next plus 1 into 4 4s are 6 2s are 16 minus 12. Now 18 minus 12 is 6, 6 3s are 18. 36 minus 18 is 18. 18 into minus 1 is minus 18. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So it is equals to 4. Next to delta 2 equals to, replace the second column with constant numbers in the delta matrix. So constant numbers are 3, 4 and 6. Next to 1, 3, 9. Find its determinant. Expand the first row elements. So 1 into 4 into 9 minus 3 into 6. 36 minus 18 minus 3 into 9 into 1 minus 3 into 1. 9 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 into 1, 4 into 1. 6 minus 4. 36 minus 18 is 18. Next to 9 minus 3 is 6 3 is 18. And 6 minus 4, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 18 minus 18 cancel. It is equals to 2. Next to delta 3 equals to, replace the third column find out the delta 3 value before finding the x and y values. Delta 3 equals to, replace the third column with the constant numbers. Find out the determinant. Determinant is 0. So then now find the x, y and z. X value delta 1 by delta, it is equals to 4 divided by 2, it is equals to 2. Next to y equals to delta 2 divided by delta, 2 by 2 1. Next to z equals to 0. So the required answer is 2 1 and Eighth question, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 6, 3x minus 2y plus 4z equals to 5, x minus y minus z equals to minus 1. Let's create the delta matrix with the coefficients of the given three equations. Let's find the determinant, expand the first row elements to find out the determinant. So determinant is 17, so it is not equal to 0, so the given equations are consistent. Let's find out the delta 1. So replace the first column with the constant numbers 6, 5 and minus 1. Let's find its determinant. So delta 1 also is 17. So next to delta 2. So delta 2 is replace the second column with the constant numbers in the delta matrix. Let's find its determinant. So delta 2 answer also is 17. Next to delta 3. Delta 3 means replace the third column with constant numbers in the delta matrix. So the constant values are 6, 5, minus 1. Let's find its determinant. So delta 3 value also is 17. So let's find our required answer, that is x, y and z. So the formula for x is delta 1 by delta, so it is equals to 17 by 17, 1. Next to y equals to delta 2 divided by delta, it is equals to 17 by 17, 1. Z equals to delta 3 divided by delta, so it is also a 17 by 17, 1. Ninth question, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 14, 3x plus y plus 2z equals to 11 and 2x plus 3y plus z equals to 11. Let's create the delta matrix. First row is equals to coefficient of first equation 1, 2, 3. Second row equals to coefficient of second equation 3, 1, 2 and similarly 2, 3, 1. Let's find its determinant. So its determinant is 18, it is not equal to 0, so then the given equations are consistent equation. Next delta 1 means replace the first column with constant numbers. So 14, 11, 11, so 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's find its determinant. 14 into, so delta 1 equals to 18. Next to delta 2 matrix, so delta 2 equals to replace the second column with the constant numbers, so 1, 3, 2. Constant numbers are 14, 11, 11, 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's find its determinant. So delta 2 equals to 36. Next to delta 3, so delta 3 equals to replace the third column with constant numbers. So the constant numbers are 14, 11, 11. Let's find its determinant by expanding the first row elements. So delta 3 equals to 54. Now the required answer is x, y and z. X equals to delta 1 divided by delta. So delta 1 equals to 18 by 18, it is equals to 1. Y equals to delta 2 divided by delta, so it is equals to 36 by 18, so 2. Next z equals to delta 3 divided by delta, 54 divided by 18, so it is equals to 3. 10th question, 3x plus y plus z equals to 8, 2x minus 3y minus 2z equals to minus 5 and 7x plus 2y minus 5z equals to 0. Delta equals to the coefficient of first equation 3, 1, 1. Coefficient of second equation 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2. Coefficient of third equation 7, 2, minus 5. So let's find its determinant. So 3 bracket of, so it is equals to 78 not equals 0. So then the given equations are consistent equations. Next delta 1 equals to replace the first column with constant numbers 8 minus 5 and 0, 8 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 3, 2, 1 minus 2 minus 5. Let's find its determinant. Delta 1 equals to 117. Next delta 2 equals to replace the second column with constant numbers 3, 2, 7. So constant numbers are 8 minus 5 0 and 1 minus 2 minus 5. Find its determinant. So delta 2 equals to 78. Next to delta 3, replace the third column with constant numbers. So the constant numbers are 8 minus 5 0. So let's find its determinant. Delta 3 equals to 195. So let's find out the required answer x, y and z. X equals to delta 1 divided by delta. So delta 1 117 by delta value is 78. It is equals to 1.5. Y equals to delta 2 divided by delta 78 equals to 1. Z equals to delta 3 divided by delta 195 divided by 78 equals to 2.5. 11th question, x plus y minus z equals to 4, x plus 2y plus z equals to 8, 2x minus y plus z equals to 5. So let's create the delta matrix. First equation coefficient 1 1 minus 1, second equation coefficient 1 2 1, third equation coefficients are 2 minus 1 1. Let's find its determinant. 9, it is not equals to 0. Next delta 1, replace the first column with constant numbers. So constant numbers are 4 8 5 and remaining two columns will come as it is. Next to find its determinant. So it is equals to 27. Next to delta 2 equals to replace the second column 1 1 2 with constant numbers 4 8 minus 5. Next to minus 1 1 1. Find its determinant. Sorry, here is a plus 5. Now find the determinant. So its answer is 18. So next to delta 3. To get the delta 3, replace the third column with constant numbers 4 8 and 5. Find out the determinant. So it is equals to 9. So let's find the required answer. X equals to delta 1 divided by delta 1 equals to 27 divided by 9 3. Next to y equals to delta 2 divided by delta 2 equals to 18 by 9, it is equals to 2. Z equals to delta 3 divided by delta, so 9 divided by 9, it is equals to 1. So 3 2 1 is our required answer. 12th question, x plus y plus z equals to 6, x minus y plus z equals to 2, 2x plus y minus z equals to 1. Let's form the delta matrix. It is equals to the coefficients of the first equation 1 1 1. Next to coefficients of the second equation 1 minus 1 1. Coefficients of the third equation 2 1 minus 1. Let's find its determinant. So it is equals to 6. It is not equal 0. Then the given equations are consistent. Next to delta 1 equals to replace the first column elements with the constant numbers. So 6 2 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Find its determinant. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Next to delta 2 equals to replace the second column with a constant number. So 1 1 2. So here 6 2 1 1 1 minus 1. Let's find its determinant. So it is equals to 12. Next to find out the delta 3 matrix just by replacing the third column with the constant number 6 2 1 and find its determinant. So it is equals to 18. So let's find the x, y and z values. So x equals to delta 1 divided by delta 1 equals to 6 and delta also 6, it's equals to 1. Next to y equals to delta 2 divided by delta So delta 2 12 and delta value 6, it is equals to 2. Z equals to delta 3 divided by delta. So delta 3 is 18 divided by 6, 6 1 the 6 3 the. 13th question, 2x plus y minus z equals to 1, x minus y plus z equals to 2, and 5x plus 5y minus 4z equals to 3. So let's create the delta matrix. So coefficient of first equation 2 1 minus 1, coefficient of second equation 1 minus 1 1, coefficient of third equation 5 5 minus 4. Let's find its determinant. It is equals to minus 3 not equals 0, so consistent equations. Next to delta 1 is equals to, replace the first column elements with the constant numbers. So 1 2 3, so 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 1 minus 4. Find its determinant. So it is equals to 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Next to minus 8 minus 3 minus 11, minus 11 into minus 1 is plus 11. 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 into minus 1 is minus 13. Minus 1 minus 13 is minus 14, plus 11, it is equals to minus 3. Next to delta 2 equals to, replace the second column with the constant numbers 2 1 5 1 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 4. Find its determinant. It is equals to minus 6. Next to delta 3 equals to, replace the third column with constant numbers which are 1 2 3. Find its determinant. It is equals to minus 9. Let's find out the x, y and z values. X value is delta 1 divided by delta. It is equals to minus 3 divided by minus 3 equals to 1. Next to y equals to delta 2 divided by delta minus 6 divided by minus 3. So delta y value is 2. Next to z value, that is delta 3 by delta. So it is equals to minus 9 divided by minus 3. Minus minus cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. So then 1, 2 and 3 is our required answer. 14th question, x plus y minus z equals to 3, 2x plus 3y plus z equals to 10, 3x minus y minus 7z equals to 1. So delta equals to the coefficient of first equation 1 1 minus 1, coefficients of second equation 2 3 1, coefficient of third equation 3 minus 1 minus 7. Let's find its determinant. So equals to 8, it is not equal 0. So the given system of equations are consistent equations. Next to delta 1 equals to, replace the first column with constant numbers which are 3 10 1. So here 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 7. So now find out the determinant. So minus 60 plus 84 equals to is plus 24. Next to delta 2 equals to, replace the second column with constant numbers. So 1 2 3. Second column constant numbers are 3 10 1 minus 1 1 minus 7. Find its determinant. Minus 71 plus 79 equals to is 8. So next to delta 3, replace the third column with the constant numbers, so which are 3 10 1, and find its determinant. So it is equals to 8. So next x value, y value and z value. X value delta 1 by delta, it is equals to 24 by 8. 8 1s are 8, 3s are 24. Y equals to delta 2 divided by delta. Delta 2 equals to 8 by 8. It is equals to 1. Z equals to delta 3 divided by delta. So delta 3 8 by 8, it is equals to 1. 15th question, in a given electrical network, the equations for the currents I1, I2, I3 are, 3i1 plus i2 plus i3 equals to 8. 2i1 minus 3i2 minus 2i3 equals to minus 5. 7i1 plus 2i2 minus 5i3 equals to 0. Calculate i1, i3 by Cramer's rule. So here, instead of x, y, z, he was given i1, i2, i3. Then he is asking only i1 and i3. So i1 means x formula delta 1 by delta. I3 means z, z formula is delta 3 divided by delta. So let's continue the let's apply the Cramer's rule. First we need to find out the delta matrix. Delta matrix means the coefficients of the first equation 3, 1, 1, and the coefficient of second equation 2, minus 3, minus 2, coefficients of third equation 7, 2, minus 5. Now find out the determinant. Expand the first row element. First element is 3. So minus 3 into minus 5, minus 2 into 2. So minus 3 into minus 5 is plus 15, and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So plus 4. Next to minus 1 into 2 into minus 5 minus 2 into 7. So 2 into minus 5 minus 10, and minus 2 into 7 is minus 14. So minus of minus plus 14. Next to third element is 1. So 1 into 2 into 2 minus 3 into 7. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 7 3 is 21. 3 into 15 plus 4 is 19, minus 1 into minus 10 plus 14 is 4. Next to 1 into 4 plus 21 is 25. 3 into 19 is 57. Next to minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 plus 25. So now 57 minus plus 25, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, minus 4. It is equals to 78. 78 is not equals to 0, so then the given system of equations are consistent equations. So next, delta 1 matrix is equals to, replace the first column with the constant numbers given in the equation. So in the equation the constant numbers are 8, minus 5 and 0. And write the remaining columns as it is, 1, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So let's find its determinant. So delta 1 value is 117. Next to delta 2 equals to, so replace the, here delta 2 equals to, replace the second column with the constant numbers. So let us replace. Constant numbers are 8, minus 5, 0, and find its determinant. So delta 2 equals to 78. So actually here delta 2 is not required, because in the question he asked i3. i3 means z value. So anyhow delta 2 is not required, but I found the delta 2. So next to delta 3 equals to, replace the last third column elements in the delta matrix with the constant numbers. So it is equals to 195. So next our required value, one is i1. So I1 formula is x means delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 equals to 117 divided by delta equals to 78. 78 ones are 78. So 1.5. Next to I3. I3 means z formula is delta 3 divided by delta. So delta 3 is 195 divided by 78. 78 ones are 78, 2.5 are. So the required answer is I1 1.5 and I3 2.5.